video I have some corn fried chicken legs with some sweet and sour sauce that I got from Walmart. So I have some sweet potato fries and 10 chicken legs. Oh, you like my nails? Today's April 1st, which is Autism Awareness Month. In case y'all didn't know, I have a son that's autistic, so I did this for him. I love it. So yeah, I got this design on Pinterest, and I'm like, let me do something special for my baby. Cause I'm not, y'all know me. I don't wear nails on a regular, so I'm like, let me do something special for my baby. And this is why I'm wearing a blue shirt. So tomorrow is the actual day that you're supposed to wear blue, like royal blue. But since I'm gonna be at work, I'm gonna be like, I'm just getting my nails done. I'm gonna be at work until like 7:30, so yeah, I'm wearing my uniform, so I can't wear blue. I tell this man 10 legs, and the man give me 9 legs and 1 thigh. Like, I'm asking for thigh. I'm asking for thigh. I'm here. This supposed to be sweet potato fries. Look on this. $2.50 to this. I'm just not opening it. I'm not even just not opening it up. And look at the amount for $2.50. I hope y'all see me properly, because I feel like this lighting, this what's her name? Ring light is not bright enough for some reason. But yeah, I got my lemon water, because I told you I'm getting serious about my face. I don't know if y'all see, it's getting light already, so you know. I got mad lemon water in here. Y'all know this cup? Y'all know this cup, right? BBQ, baby. Oh, yeah. So, I'm open this box. There's some chicken. Oh, baby. Let's see that. Other than Popeyes, this is like my second favorite chicken. Well, my third, because my chicken comes first, then Popeyes, then corn fry. But yeah, let's get into this chicken though. My first time trying this. Have a little tingy feeling to it, but it's good. I feel like I taste lime, pineapple. By the way, that's what it is. Pineapple. There's pineapple in there. Pineapple juice. Oh my god. But as I was saying, tomorrow is World Autism Awareness Day. Obviously, you're supposed to wear a blue. And so it happens to be like blue is my favorite color because I was younger, but ever since I found out my son was autistic, it meant even more to me. So yeah. $60 I pay for these meals. Y'all know me. No, it came up to, it was $58 because I paid with my card, my bank card, and they charged me $2. But I have planned to do the 2 times spicy, this, I saw this. I saw this at my farmer's market. I see the price. You see it? Yeah, for $1. So like, I'm gonna do the 2 times spicy chicken. But when I opened it just now, and I literally took the thing off. Wow, you see? When I took the thing out inside, box size and not spill. But yeah, you see, I opened it and it was, this thing smells strong. Yeah, so he took my lip, touched on my lip and on my lip. I'm like, oh, nope, not it, not it. I want to enjoy this chicken. I don't want to be suffering when I'm eating it. Nah. So, I didn't show y'all the chicken. I would look with the sweet and sour sauce on it. Ooh. Oh, dripping. Yeah. Put that in my hand. I showed the lady the picture, right? I showed the lady the picture, and then she gonna come to me with pink. I'm like, no, I want red. There's red in there. The puzzle, the autism puzzle is red, it's not pink. I'm like, no, I don't want that. Oh my god, this is spicy. Okay. Whoop, come here. Oh my god. My people thought the rice is soggy. I should put it in the oven just now, but whatever. I don't know water yet. Ouch. We have vinegar, water. I taste the vinegar and the pineapple juice. Soya beans, dry green, bell peppers, dry red bell peppers, spice, paprika. You have different tastes. You cannot go wrong with corn fried chicken. Just like you can't go wrong with the wing from Chinese. Okay? I don't love chicken too. Like, nobody loves chicken like me and my son, okay? It's so good. Damn. I'm probably not gonna eat all this chicken though.
Well, look how she ate that.
Oh my god. Have a bite. My baby about to be 12 years old next month. Like, our birthday's 2 weeks apart. I'll take him to Disney World. Could have been taking him to Disney World. Super stale fries is busted. what I'm gonna be drinking. So this face will clear up. I washed my hair last night. So oh yeah. Well, I'm getting full. I ate 14 legs and I'm getting full. I got these fries. Yeah, I was saying I had, oh, excuse me. I had washed my hair last night, so it's in twist right now because it's not stretched enough for me to have it out. So I'm like, you know what? I'm put this wig on. I'm put this wig on. I was gonna take it out, but I'm gonna eat one more of this and then I'm gonna call it a day. These I could just, oh, I could eat these. I could bring these to us tomorrow for my lunch. Just some cucumbers, something. Yeah. It's almost Friday. But I really want to take a vacation with him because I've been having mine. I need more water. I'm gonna do this. So y'all, please like up the video when you watch it, so YouTube will push my videos out to other people, other viewers, so they could comment and watch my video too and subscribe. I'm just asking y'all to just please like the video when y'all watch it. Okay. Ooh, that's good. Alright. This will help clear my face too, so I'm doing everything that I can. Get this face back to how it was a couple years ago. Okay? I'm not playing. And I know I gotta watch what I eat too, so at the same time, this is where the lemon water comes in. Okay guys, that's my video. And don't forget to like this video. And please don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And welcome and thanks for watching.